Welcome to my channel, guys. How to download the driver DCP-T820DW. So type Google search box to hit enter. Then this is official website www.brother.com. Okay, click to scroll down and click to support. Okay, then click to download. Now download. Select your operating system. You make Linux. Okay. This is full setup. This is only for driver. This is firmware and all. Agree to download. Automatically start. Then go to location and double click to this file. This will be automatic to extract to system on same location. Then click to yes. So guys, this file will create this one. Open this folder. Okay, and scroll down this file, right click to run as, and after that come this window. Select into installations language which is you required. Okay, then next, accept the agreement. So there are three types to install: by the Wi-Fi, by LAN, and by USB cable, printer cable. So guys, first if you connect with your Wi-Fi, so firstly you connect the printer to your Wi-Fi. After that select this one and then next to install. Okay, if you connect with LAN, so first of all guys, your switch or router to connect to your printer by LAN cable, and then next. Okay, router automatically take IP from the router and it will fully set up sections of setting. And this one by USB, connect the printer to your laptop by USB cable. Okay, it will come with in box with printer. Then select the next. After that, this is finding and it will install it. Okay, thank you.